When I want to take a picture of Ricky Bobby, I'll tell you I want to take your picture. Get out of my view. Go. Get. Good boy. Now stay out of my view. Good boy. Yes. Teach him, Coltrane. You're the star. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel? How does it feel to be not the star? Not the star. Not the star. Coltrane. Coltrane, you're the star. You're the star of the movie. You're the star of the movie, huh? Yeah. You're the star of the movie. You're the star of the movie. You're the star of the movie. Say something. Look into the camera. Yes. You're the star. You're the star. You're the star of the Hollywood movie. Oh. You're the star of the Hollywood movie. Yes. I know. Meow. You're the star of the Hollywood movie. Yeah. This is your close-up. 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 Oh, yeah. Close-up. 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 Yeah, close-up. Oh, close-up. Good job. Good job, close-up. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Pan out. Pan out. Pan out. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, there's Trini. Aww. Trini's in the movie too. Trini's in the movie too. But you're still the star. You're always the star. You're always the star. Oh, but your baby's a star too. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? There's your baby. Uh-oh, vacuum cleaner cord. Dolly. Dolly, don't eat the cord. It could be plugged in, I don't know. Dolly, Dolly, Dolly. Dolly, Dolly, do. Dolly, Dolly, don't. Dolly, Dolly, don't. A mother's love saves her baby. Ah, touching. A moment in history. And off they go into the sunset. No better ending. No, well, almost into the sunset. No better ending to any Hollywood movie. Right, Coltrane? Meh. No better ending. The three of them wander off into the sunset. A Disney original after-school movie. Goodbye. 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 Hello. 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 What's wrong? It's obedient teenagers. What's wrong? Won't Trini help?
At the top of our 10 this morning, a twist in the case of a missing North County toddler. Sheriff's deputies yesterday called off the search for 19-month-old
Dolly, follow Mama.
Just as 2 days after
Trini, help.
missing from his Escondido home.
Trini, help.
Detectives are now investigating the disappearance, and detectives with the San Diego Sheriff's Department say they have no suspects. At this point, the toddler's disappearance is still a mystery. And now the parents to two other children have been taken away by Child Protective Services. We continue our coverage with Emily Chang. She spoke last night with the parents inside their home.
Just after 11 Monday night, Chen Fakuson emerges from the family home in tears.
Basically, that's the only kid. His wife got to take two of my kids away.
He says Child Protective Services just left with his two other children.
I was trying to help him out, trying to figure out to pinpoint who's the one that took my kid away. I'm trying to figure out who's already, but now they took two of my kid now. There's no way I'm not going to say nothing more. I tend to bring back my
And
tomorrow or the next day.
they're gone.
His son, 19-month-old Keith,
They're gone.